हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको अ फोटोग्राफ बाय शिर्ले टॉल्सन। द कार्डबोर्ड shows me how it was when the two girls cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face my mother's that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Word meaning: cardboard means here a photo, तस्वीर. Paddling means walking in shallow water level, छपछपाते हुए. Holding means catching, पकड़े हुए. Still means fixed in a place, स्थिर. Terribly means fierce, भयावह. Transient means moral, नश्वर. फोटो यह दिखाती है कि उस समय कैसा दृश्य था जब दो चचेरी लड़कियां पानी में छपछपाती हुई जा रही थीं। उनमें से प्रत्येक ने मेरे माँ के एक एक हाथ को पकड़ रखा था और उनमें से एक बड़ी लड़की, जिसकी अवस्था लगभग 12 साल की थी, वे तीनों अपने बालों को बिखेरे हुए मुस्कुराती हुई स्थिर खड़ी थी। वे कैमरा लिए खड़े चाचा जी की तरफ देखकर मुस्कुरा रही थीं और मेरी माँ का बहुत आकर्षक चेहरा था जब मैं पैदा नहीं हुई थी, और वह सागर जो बहुत ही कम परिवर्तित सा प्रतीत होता था, वह उनके नश्वर से पैरों को धो रहा था। Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly, she would say that, and look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past mind. In is her laughter, both ripe with the labored ease of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of these circumstances there is nothing to say at all. It's silence, silence. Word meaning: snapshot means फोटो, तस्वीर. राई मीन्स ट्विस्टेड, टेढ़े मेढ़े. लेबर्ड मीन्स वर्कड हार्ड, कठिन परिश्रम किया. सर्कमस्टांसेस मीन्स सिचुएशन, स्थिति. साइलेंस मीन्स क्वाइटनेस, खामोशी. कुछ 20-30 सालों बाद वह उस फोटो को देखकर हंसती बैठी और डॉली को देखकर, देखो उन दोनों सागर तट पर हम छुट्टी मनाने के लिए कैसे कपड़े पहनते थे। सागर तट पर बिताई गई छुट्टी उसके अतीत की बात थी और मेरे लिए उनकी हंसी, और इस नुकसान पर हम दोनों कठिनाई से सामान्य दिखाई देने का प्रयास करते हैं। अब उस लड़की के गुजरे हुए लगभग उतने ही साल बीत गए जितने साल वह जीवित रही है, और उस स्थिति के बारे में कहने को कुछ नहीं बचा। इसकी फ़ोटो की खामोशी मुझे शांत कर देती है। Infer the meaning of the following words from the context: paddling, transient. Now look up the dictionary to see if your inference is right. Thinking it about. Question first: what does the word cardboard denote in the poem? Why has this word been used? Answer: the word cardboard denotes a snapshot or a photograph in the poem. This word has been used to portray the photograph of two girls and a smiling mother having a beautiful face like a natural scenery. Second question: what was the camera captured? Answer: the camera has captured the smiling faces of both the girls along with their beautiful mother. The camera also captured a sea holiday scene washing away of her mother's transient feet. Question third: what has not changed over the years? Does this suggest something to you? Answer: the sea has not changed over the years. It suggests something us that everything is transient in this world. Nothing is permanent. Question 4: the poet's mother laughed at the snapshot. What did this laugh indicate? This laugh indicates that the author's mother would enjoy the sea holiday in her past, so she laughed at the snapshot. Question 5: what is the meaning of that line, both lie with the labored easy of loss? The meaning of the line, both lie with the labored easy of loss, is the poet and the Mother are unhappy at a loss they have troubled. Now mother misses sea holiday of past. The poet's past is her mother's laughter. She had dressed herself nicely near a coast of a sea. She no longer witnesses the laughter that she noticed in the snowflake. The poet is at a loss not to have that laughter again. Question 6. What does these circumstances refer to? Answer. Here these circumstances refer the period since her mother died and she has no snapshot to express her feelings. These circumstances took place years ago. Question 6, 7. The three stanzas depict three different phases. What are they? Answer. The three stanzas depict three different phases. They are: first, youth. Author's mother has been appeared a girl of some 12 years with a sweet face. Second, middle age. 30 years later, she could be seen laughing at a snapshot. The sea holiday and dressing herself beautifully was her past. Third, death. In the word third phase, the mother is expired. She had been nearly expired when the girls lived. Thanks, best of luck.